Hey friend, welcome to our Chill Chat, your spot for faith in 10 minutes of prayer. It's your guide here. Since we're here now, getting ready to install a new tool for your growth, our main mission is to follow the footsteps of the real legends of faith and wisdom. Jesus Christ, the top master, Solomon, the king of smart moves and real wealth, and David, who showed us what being tough is all about. So here's the deal, okay? We're not just praying today. We're flipping the wisdom switch in your subconscious, straight from Proverbs. This builds you an abundance and power mindset. It's totally yours. We're giving your brain's software a major upgrade. Say goodbye to that old doubt virus and hello to abundance certainty. Think of it. Jesus is your woke consciousness. Solomon is your building strategy. And David is your get-it-done action. They're your ultimate manifestation team. Shut your eyes, easy. Yeah, just let yourself chill out. Don't push it, just let the peace find you when it's ready. Then you might think, how do I even relax right now? But while you're asking that, your subconscious, it's like your personal super memory bank, is already bringing up the answers. You know those awesome times you were totally chilled out? Beach day, comfy bed, quiet morning? It's pulling those good vibes right here, right now. Believe it, your inner mind's got the goods. 'Cause chilling out is natural, right? It's when your thinking mind takes a break and your inner mind steps up to give your body the go-ahead to fully loosen up for total relaxation in your body and mind. You get it? And the best part? Every word you hear makes that feeling double deep and double awesome. That's it. Nice. Feel how comfy your body is, all supported. That's your safety spot. So let's really sink in. Take a super deep breath. Let all the air out. Totally empty your lungs, dumping any stress. Now breathe that good stuff back in. That's it. Pull in the air of life, growth, and conscious information. PIC. Hold it a sec, right here in the silent zone, where everything's possible. The creation start button. And slowly let it go, pushing out all doubt and tiredness. Tell yourself deep down, I release, I trust, and I evolve. Say that inside 2 more times. Feel it. Keep that easy breathing going. Maybe count 4 in, hold 2, 6 out, and let's grab a color for this chill vibe. How about a gorgeous golden color? A warm, liquid light, super bright, packed with confidence, self-control, pure energy, and high-level life vibes. This golden light is your direct download from the universe. Just feel that strong golden energy. It starts loosening your feet. Feel the peace melt away anything tight or heavy. As your feet chill, the light moves up, ankles, calves, shins. Later, tension. Check out how amazing it is to just drop that weight. This warm golden flow is cruising up your strong thigh bones now. Every muscle fiber is melting, wrapped up totally in this light. It's not just relaxing you, it's fixing you up inside. Feel your hips and lower back, where we often keep our fears and need to control things, get completely set free. And as your body gets looser, focus on your belly and chest. Your stomach gets soft and easy, and the golden light chills your whole nervous system, shutting up that worry noise. Your heart is beating calm and steady, like a nice drum beat. The light goes to your shoulders, taking off all that heavy stuff that's not even yours, flowing down your arms, through your hands, right to your fingers. Okay, now your throat and jaw. That's where stress, silent feelings, and stubbornness hide. Feel the liquid gold pouring down your neck, freeing your throat, relaxing your jaw, and softening your eyes. You don't have to hold on to a thing. Seriously, let it all go. Last stop, the light washes your head, clearing out all the overthinking so your mind is big and quiet. Feel yourself sinking way deeper into the calm. And at the same time, your breath is making your focus super sharp, right? Each inhale boosts your God connection. Your personal vibe bubble gets strong, bright, and supercharged. This vibe bubble is your power zone. It's your personal quantum space where your thoughts and feelings are the only rules. It's like a force field where a miracle isn't maybe, it's guaranteed. And check this out. With this laser focus, your mind becomes a crystal clear cosmic antenna, ready to grab the divine plan. That silent zone when you held your breath, that start button, that's where your brain links up with the universe's main info hub, PIC, ready to build stuff with God. You're not asking for a handout, you're receiving the blueprints and building the life. Master Solomon, the king of cash, gave us the direct map to success in Proverbs 24. A house is built with wisdom and it stands strong with understanding. The rooms get filled with awesome, beautiful treasures through knowledge. Proverbs 24, 3-4, NIV. Your life, my friend, is that house.
And your subconscious is the head construction worker. Got it? Solomon says, forget the struggle. The real secret is the wisdom coming to you now. Wisdom is the rock-solid foundation you're feeling. It's the core of your faith. Understanding builds the walls. What's that, you ask? It's your personal, God-given NLP superpower. It's how you shut down the negative noise, lack, doubt, confusion, and shout a massive yes to the promise and to being rich in everything. Understanding is the bouncer that keeps out those old bad thoughts, like I don't deserve this or too much work. You're knowingly keeping fear out. And knowledge fills the house. Not boring book stuff, but the real, living knowledge of the divine promise. You know for sure that the law of abundance is the only one working for you. Look, deep in your mind, see the rooms of your life. Money, job, love, health, getting filled right now with amazing, beautiful things. Feel success wrapping its arms around you. Picture a kitchen ready for a feast, an office with sweet deals, and a bedroom full of real peace. This is one magnificent house built to rock forever. Your body's super mellow, while the power of King David wakes up your spirit. Faith is your fuel. Proverbs 24 tells us, even if the good person falls 7 times, they get right back up. Proverbs 24:16 NIV. Falling, that's no biggie. The 7 times are the tough days. The 7 times your old thoughts try to drag you down. Things like putting stuff off, the bad vibes of comparing yourself, sounding like a victim, or feeling that sting of doubt. But someone who's plugged in, who acts like David, has a faith that just won't die. David's toughness is what lets you reset your brain, choosing the wisdom road over and over. Getting back up is your active choice to grow. It's straight up faith. Feel David's power in your back and legs. Your divine get up and go is fully loaded. That old Goliath inside you is totally screwed. And by following Jesus' lead, you hardwired the certainty of resurrection into your mindset. What's that mean? It means you're 100% sure life always triumphs, light always beats the dark, and after any struggle, success and grace will show up. The resurrection mindset is the ultimate way to see your future now. You don't wait for the miracle, you feel the win already. You aren't hoping for good things, you are the good thing. You're activating the biggest law of attraction there is. Okay, let's wrap this up. You feel David's get-up strength. You take Solomon's wisdom to make your plan, and you fire up Master Jesus Christ's faith in your heart, that golden light. Feel this power-packed team. Feel the certainty, the structure, and the strength, all working perfectly for you right now. One last deep breath. Pull all that personal power right in and lock in this whole new phase in your body. It's time to seal the deal. Changing isn't something you look for, it's who you are now. Lock in. To make sure this new info sticks in your mind forever, let's do a quick faith act. This is your final NLP power button. Gently tap your chest right over your heart and feel that golden light thumping. With your inside voice loud as hell, comment the one word that makes this real: building wisdom. When you type it, you tell your subconscious and your body, done deal, this is my life now. That's your key to endless success. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That's you committing. Your God Connection tool needs updates, so don't miss the next software install for your faith. Come join our massive vibe bubble of abundance. Send this link to 3 friends who need this guided prayer to flip their miracle switch too. Miracles grow when we share them. That's the give and get law working. Hang out in this piece for a minute more, just feeling that golden light beat. Your foundation's solid. Head back to your day, but be a whole new you, okay? Go back knowing you are stronger, wiser, and way more successful. You're